How to master Vivo V25 easy format with hard security reset. Hello my dear friends, how are you? I hope you are fine and happiest. Today with you an important video which is how to easily master Vivo V25 format with hard security reset. I hope you like it, but before watching, subscribe to the channel so that I can present to you everything that is new, and now let's follow the video. What are the advantages of Vivo V25 specifications and features? GSM 3G HSDPA dual SIM card GSM plus GSM 4G LTE plus 5G LTE 6.44-inch FHD plus 90 Hz LCD 128 GB or 256 GB internal memory with 8 GB RAM 256 GB internal memory with 12 GB RAM triple main camera 64 megapixels f 1.8 plus 8 megapixels f 2.2 plus 2 megapixels f 2.4. The main camera features phase detection autofocus and an LED flash. 50 megapixel front camera for selfies and videos. Octa-core processor 2x2.4 GHz Cortex-A78 and 6x2.0 GHz Cortex-A55. GPU Mali G68MC4. Android 12 operating system. LiPo 4500 mAh battery. How to fix Vivo V25 recovery is disabled, unresponsive, crashes, stuck, frozen or bricked. When we cannot use this phone properly, it is often caused by software issues. We have to know that some of the apps inside the Google Play Store may contain viruses or malware that can cause some problems like slow, lag, crashes, bricking or unresponsiveness of the LCD touchscreen. They can steal our data and install unknown apps. These bad apps will not get Play Protect verification information when we are in the process of downloading. Please read many user reviews before installing new or not so popular apps. How do you fix these problems? We have to clean temporary files and cache from the phone storage by doing a soft reset or reboot. When the phone is finished rebooting, please install the recommended antivirus software such as Norton or Avast. This antivirus will scan all installed apps and give safe setup recommendation options inside Vivo V25. When this phone still has the same issues, we need to do a factory reset or master format to bring it back to its factory default settings. This process will remove all installed apps and data. Reset will erase or remove all Google accounts from this phone. We suggest only installing recommended apps and not installing any unknown APK files. How to force shutdown, force soft reset, reboot or reboot Vivo V25. Vivo V25 has 8 GB or 12 GB RAM options for multitasking. However, the installed apps may crash or get corrupted, which can cause Vivo V25 to experience some issues like crashing or unresponsiveness of the LCD touchscreen. We need to soft reset or restart the device to clean temporary files and cache. Please press and hold the power button for several seconds until this phone turns off by itself. Then we can try to run it again. This phone usually works normally after a reboot. We can force clean temporary files and cache when this phone is still working properly. How is it done? Press and hold the power button until the pop-up appears, then choose the Restart, Shutdown, Power Off menu. How to backup data or contact on Vivo V25. microSD XC can be used to back up all important data, photos and videos from the internal memory. Please select all important files using Android File Manager, copy from internal memory and paste all important files to external memory. We can use USB OTG to connect to a flash drive. After connecting the flash disk, we can select all the important files using the Android File Manager, copy them from the internal memory and paste them to an external flash drive. We can use USB data cable to back up all data to PC using File Manager on PC. If our Vivo V25 has already logged in with a Google account, by default it will sync our contact in the background with the Google server. Please make sure that we check all contacts on the Google Contacts server using web browsing to make sure they are backed up. Please note, these options below may not work for some devices due to firmware update version, hardware issues, or some other possibilities. First step, hard reset Vivo V25 with software menu. Turn on Vivo V25. It is very important to ensure that the battery capacity is more than 50% or better than fully charged. If we still can access File Manager or other apps, please back up all data or photos, videos on Vivo V25 because all data and apps will be erased or deleted. Go to the menu. Setting, More Settings, Backup and Reset, Erase all data. Give the check mark. Clear phone storage if we want to clean, wipe all data. Choose Erase everything. Vivo V25 will do hard reset or master format to factory default operation. Reset Vivo V25 to factory settings. Second step, hard reset Vivo V25 using the hardware button switch to recovery mode. Turn off the Vivo V25. It is very important to make sure that the battery is fully charged. Press and hold power button plus volume up button until fast boot menu appears. Release both the power button and the volume up button. Choose recovery mode by using volume button and press power button for OK. Choose the clear data button, keep choosing clear all data and wait for the data scanning to finish. In some versions, you can try to choose the clear data or clear data option by clicking the menu or using the volume button to move up and down the menu and press the power button to agree, confirm or choose. It will erase all data to finish the hard reset or master format steps. Wait for your Vivo V25 to finish the process and your phone will start again as new. How to unlock, repair, bypass are solutions for Vivo V25 forgot password code, security lock screen pattern or PIN, lost password. With a large internal storage of 128 GB or 512 GB, we will have many important data or videos captured with triple cameras 64 megapixels for wide plus 8 megapixels for 120 degrees ultrawide plus 2 megapixels for macro. We need to secure all confidential data from unauthorized persons when Vivo V25 is away from us, lost or stolen. Fingerprint or facial recognition are the first options. We also need to activate secondary protection such as a PIN, password or screen lock pattern. Because after restarting or rebooting Vivo V25, the fingerprint will not work. However, the problems will start when we can't unlock that phone or forget the security answer or the pattern or the fingerprint sensor can't unlock with our hand. What should we do? We have to force reset or reformat Vivo V25 when we forget the security protection. Please use the second step to perform a hard reset using the hardware key combination. Vivo V25 uses the latest Android version which already has FRP, Factory Reset Protection, feature. This is important to protect our phone when it is lost. We need to confirm ownership by verifying with your previous Google account username and password when we set up again as new. Is this any secret code for Vivo V25 format work? There is no secret hidden code for Vivo V25 to bring it back to factory default settings. Do the options above to reset this phone. How to format or wipe phone memory in Vivo V25. If we want to remove or wipe all the data inside the Vivo V25 storage, the easiest way is to perform a hard reset both by using the first and second step. When we do the first step, we need to choose checkbox options to wipe internal SD data, internal storage. How to make the Vivo V25 battery stronger, last longer, and not drain fast. Vivo V25 V2202 uses a 4500 mAh battery. It has 44W fast charging technology. To make it work longer, make some adjustments such as making the LCD brightness as low as possible and turning off all connections that are not in use such as GPS, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi or NFC. More FAQ about Vivo V25. How to reset Vivo camera and music. They are different procedures, but we will try to give them one by one. To reset Vivo camera settings, we have to open the main camera apps, then find menu setting or icon setting, and find restore default setting. To reset the music, it actually depends on the type of apps to hear the music. How to remove or bypass a forgotten pattern, password or passcode on Vivo V25 format without password. We always recommend security to anyone for secure data, but problems arise when you can't unlock this phone. Please try a hard reset using the hardware key combination key like the steps in the second step. This process will reformat the Vivo V25 operating system to factory default settings to remove the security password or pattern protection. After completing the hard reset, you should try to make sure that this phone belongs to you by logging in with your previous Google account for security protection. At the end of the video, I thank you for watching, and I hope you have solved the problems, and see you in a new video.